Wagwan again, Unstoppable family. So people, the drama continues in dancehall. And this time it is between none other than Dan Mafia and the doctor himself, Beenie Man. Well, let me tell you now what go on. The other day, Dan Mafia did a little reasoning with me, Unstoppable, and him go down memory lane and him talk about Bunty, Beenie, Angel, and a whole heap of thing about dancehall. Well, apparently, the video must make its way to the doctor, and the doctor wanted to just address Dan Mafia in a sense. Now, Beenie Man talk about a whole lot of things and talk about the relationship between him and Dan Mafia and how things all went downhill. And also said Dan Mafia never like Angel, none at all, or Dan Mafia never like Bounty Killer, none at all, neither is what Beenie Man say. Now, in this video, Beenie I go reveal everything. So I could take a listen and hear exactly what the doctor attack say.
Yes. Alright. So we are now. Alright. We did it. We are climbing up. Yeah. Up there we want to go. Because I want. Now, only part things to talk about tonight. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, I saw it go. You have other things to do. You have to do this thing. Alright. I want to talk to you about a boy named Carol. See him? Carol? Yeah, him named Carol. See him? Alright, one boy named Carol Yuda. See him? Anybody know who named Carol? So, boy named Carol Yuda. See him? One guy who knew him from Firehouse. He come from country. But him there Firehouse and him get unfair treatment in the music business because he's a man where him do counteraction songs. Because him counteract two of my songs them, you know. Yeah, Slam, do a song named Slam Bam. See him? Counteract it and him counteract on a Bounty Killer song. I think cellular phone. Yeah. And then him end up over fully loaded a war with Baby Sham. And Killer come. Yeah, man. People them run him off high stage and boo him and everything, but you see him back. I'm in studio. So me I said, John, if you there saying that I'm a bad DJ, so you know, you don't want him to have a chance in life. You see it, so give him a chance in life. It happens that the man hate Bounty Killer so much that he made everybody wear part Bounty Killer. So when we first started hear about Vibe Cartel, then me I say, yo, I want to know the DJ. So Carol now is a man where the first man get up and say, oh, them boy there, and them boy there, and them boy there, and them boy there. I say, alright. Still want to know who them Vibe Cartel. So we keep a show over White House called Ghetto Splash. But them time they never over Jews and school. They're up on the road. Balcom Drive. So Vibe Cartel turn up. So me I say, alright Carol, you always I say you want to kill Vibe Cartel. See a chance, you know. So him go up on stage, him did a lead, you know. The Cartel drop a lyrics and he hurt him, so him go tell the man about his mother and Jesus Christ, it done right, that's so. The man just start giving some lyrics that bad man, come on. But what was the surprise? Is he never knows a Vibe Cartel come from Waterhouse.
Same name one, yeah.
So him start calling the man country boy. So him grew up at Waterhouse and forgot to him come from country. So people them not having it. The Cartel I say, see Dudney Road there? Because we're up on Balcom Drive, you know. So which part the stage there is right in front of Dudney Road.
It's in the right in front of there.
Yeah, the Cartel I say, right there's some back. Right man.
Right.
Seriously, right man. So Carol now, we see my studio and me I say, right, a good DJ, so you don't want him carry free. Go down in our jail. So me I say, you prepare to do it. I say, boy, I'm not in a vehicle for come check it. My friend named Buck, him that go back to Canada, him have a what do you call it? A sidekick, a Suzuki sidekick. So we buy it from him, man. The vehicle was versatile, we name Liquor Shot at the time, and Kitty Party, because they never have a vehicle like that. So, through them never have the licensing and thing, we give Carol the vehicle for drive. So, Carol will drive the vehicle. We don't see Carol for 2 weeks. Carol drive out the whole of Jamaica.
A tour.
So, when we do all the vehicle now, Carol now, Zane forward and I say, oh, you never see no man kill, you never see Puff Daddy kill, none of them artists them over care or nothing. Zane, so we are say, alright, sure, Carol. Yeah, he writes some songs, but he's not a songwriter, he's a rhyme writer, he's a man that rhyme a lot. Zane, he can't say this without that, he can't say ying without yang, he can't say sing without song. You understand what I'm saying? He's a rhymer. So when he write a song here, you have to sit down and do your homework and figure out the lyrics them and how you put them together and them to them. People, alright. The guy named Carol and him named Dan Mafia. Every chance him get for call me name, he call me name. I tell you where Carol Bexit me from. Because I'm married to Angel. Now, I don't love man, like none at all. I love my son them, yeah, because they know a different love that. And yeah. But me not love man, brethren. How a man begs with you for your wife? The woman you're married to, a man begs with you because you're married to her. You know, I know say Carol begs with me for over Angel and the link when me and Cartel have. I know say him hate Bounty, but I never know say him hate him so much that he hate everybody when associate with him. Alright. At the night of Sting. Remember the Sting we perform first like 12 o'clock and then go do the Teen Special Country and then forward back to come perform at the morning. That's Sting then. When we reach at the Sting, at the same night, I think the same night, my fire John night. On Sting, yeah. We are coming from Teen Special and the bus broke down in a, what do you call it, Fern Gully. So we stop a van like this that we're in right now, a 7-seater. So we put the band in the van because then we need more than anybody else. I'm carrying my wife. Because I'm not left with my ex-wife in a bus with a bagger man. So I'm carrying my ex-wife and put her in the bus and put her in the car and reach. Star now, I don't know who did I run the Star at the time. Star put out a thing on him. I run and I get boo a Sting. So at the time when I'm there on the stage, somebody give me the Star. Them time I'm not done performing. I'm not performing, but the Star put out say, Beenie Man get booed. See? And we laugh about it, maybe freestyle about it on the stage and everything. We laugh about it and everything. The whole crowd start laugh. And I said, watch out. I saw them hate a DJ. And rare, boom man, I reach now. When I reach back now, I see my brother Liga. And Liga said, boy, we not the fan a while ago with Mafia them and I Star the man them I pull out and I say, alright, you married to a person. Now Kira go on with you and the person. See? Alright. A man I got disrespect your woman when you're there. And I said, oh, this big crosses, they have them things they should bring in at the company and rare. Now regardless of how bad you is or how much song you write, you can't knock this a man behave mother, especially the woman we're married to. And then expect everybody around you I go agree with what you say. That means nobody around me not like me then. So the man them say, yo, I want to hear a foolish chat. The dad not get no book or we did at the show. And people just write up in a Star. So I work with the Star. So the man them say, alright, we're going to drop you off here, so let him off half a trip. From that's so we don't see back Carol. The next time we see Carol up on TV in a bulletproof vest, say him love him life and him no want dead and we're going to kill him already. This is the same Carol in our send go to England. No, him go to England, put fun and joke aside. Him went to England and we do some work up there and him collect the money and spend the money. We give him 300,000 for the vice capital and him spend the money and come back and say, yo, we never see Puff Daddy I kill nobody over the money yet and we still not doing nothing. So this is the same man. They come and tell me, you know, I try to tell me who for there, who for talk to, how my life will go. And then him leave. This is the same man who build a whole company around, you know. Mafia was production. See? Then Mafia. The problem with Carol now, in my know for ride with it. A bad writer, a bad artist, I don't take nothing from him, a bad DJ, but him no know for ride the rhythm. When the rhythm build for him can't go up on the rhythm. Alright. We know a next better name. I love her, she love me, I need her, she need me. I know together we can start a family. So let me produce that now. The rhythm there is, I was Carol rhythm when we build one song from Managalis, Man Scrub. And him couldn't voice the song. Me even demo the song. Him couldn't voice the song. Me and my talk about one next song where it say, some boy no want no girl. It's a demo, people. But demo it for him because every time for voice and him say anything and weed, it's anything and weed. And him talk a lot and smoke and drink and then not voice. See it? Him can't go back. Him can't voice because him voice gone. So which producer gonna have a Beenie Man demo? See it? Or not? And him put out the song. She don't want to read. So the man mix the two songs them and put them out. This man, you know, every chance him get to go up and interview him, call me. May I beg you know, tell Carol to stop calling up me here. Please, anytime when you see him, just tell him to lower off a Beenie Man here. Because the amount of things that we do for him. Remember when him just find him mother, not find back him mother, because I know him mother. When him find him mother, he must say, boy, I'm find my mother no one. But I should not live nowhere where we get place for him, buy bed, everything. My lad, his mother still check him and run left him again. He still have to look back for her. All of them things that we go through with Carol. And just true because the man ate my ex-wife. The man ate Angel like, and those are poison, like she cook food and poison him. Like seriously. And that is the reason why we and Carol not date. So Carol, please do not stop. Stop, me I beg you, stop walk around and call me here. Because, yeah, you see it? Stop, walk and call up me because it's not going to be nice. You see it? Me I tell you, me I beg you the honest. Me know I'm a liar them call you, and me know I'm a friend them see you, and me know I'm a brother and my sister them see you and do nothing, and then you can call me name say, and me send people for you. Stop call up me name, my lad. See it? Yeah, because me not do nothing. See it? Everything where you even put, if you even say, or split cross a tune, me give you splits, you collect your money. So, if you have any money problem, call the brother in England where you make call me. You remember the brother there? Yeah. Call me and I say, I'm calling on the off of Carol Yuda, you know, and and to get some splits and thing and rare. We give you the whole of your splits here. Stop calling me name, God. Zane, please, me I beg you. Stop calling me name. And stop walking around and tell people, say, do you this and me not do nothing, Bridget. Zane, stop calling me name. Zane, you diss my ex-wife and we have to dish you and then you run away and we not see you back. You don't be a huge like Carol self. You come back and say, Star, Puff Daddy never kill nobody over this. You know next time you see Carol fully loaded enough with the same newspaper when my ex-wife become my ex-wife. You see it? Walk out with the newspaper say, you see these people? Eh? Or this me I tell you about. You know I'm to him. I boo him and I run him off high stage. Because I'm there in the front high stage. I watch you show it. Yeah man, boo him and I run him off high stage. So stop calling me name, my lad. See you look alive. Please, me I beg you. See and me making have one. But look alive and stop calling me. Because you over deal with you in an arrogance and ignorance. Nothing, because the ignorance is not work on you because you know in mind. You don't have a life yourself. You just go around and boast about where people have. Oh, my boss have 2 Benz and my boss have a BMW. You want to say my boss big house. Deal with yours. Look about yours. Because of that we don't want gain, but you don't want that. You just want to sit down and chat people. Yeah, people. And that a Carol. You that. Yeah, a side stage. Just sit down and criticize and cuss and fight against people. Right? Now fight against them. So that's why we just use this opportunity to deal with this because me now go up on an interview to call Carol name because Carol don't make no sense in life. Dread. May I tell you, the only good thing him do is counteract them 2 songs. The slam and excuse me part my cellular phone. I'm not doing nothing else with them career. Yeah. All them do is sit down and bad mind people and hate people and chat people and piss people. Yeah. And it don't make no sense because it don't make sense. We argued because we don't do nothing. All we do is treat you good. We never disrespect you, we never do nothing. We just call you for your phone and say, my lord, so you're going on and disrespect one-on-one virgin. It don't make sense. How would the message go? It don't make no sense. You make me see it. If I see you, things are going to you. That was the message on my left man. And next time I see my TV, I see him back. And I see him suit everybody again. The Mafia suit. Black or stripe suit. Stripe suit. With a bulletproof over it. I think I do as I give the bulletproof.
Yeah?
Yeah, do as I give the bulletproof. Man, my chats are sitting for the TV. I said, God, man. Yeah, man. But that was that a Carol whole career. You know? So, Carl, if you stop calling me. Yeah, man. That was a serious thing, you know, Mike. Man say, yo, I don't want dead, I don't want the man come kill me and laugh on them thing that way. And Tristan Palmer, yo, the man put a target on his son head back stab. Tristan Palmer, them and pay, and Bin Laden them and pay things. Not like that, people. Not no gossip. Very much I'd say. Not like that. The problem is, the man just want you to pay attention to him. You have 20 artists and you're supposed to pay attention to one artist alone. Because Angel come and sing one song and bust it up. You never know. One song she sing. And she don't even hesitate because there's an interview me see her and she said she want to do a song with me. She never hesitate. When I call her, she just come in and shoot her and me get the lyrics. And she just chat the lyrics one time.
But so
Carol can't do that, you know. Yeah, you that.
Caroline right name.
Yeah, Caroline.
Mafia.
Yeah, that's why I'm calling it Mafia. They can't name Carol.
That's a Carol.
I want to tell you the first time I mash up in visa, you know. I will get a visa fee man, he might call you that. I give you the paper, call you that. So we file for call you that. Carol, man. That's how we don't say Carol in there. Now we get the passport, I really put call you that. Carol, you there, man? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Carol, let's stop calling up man and brother. Leave man alone. Everything is alright with it. Yeah, man. Just leave it alone, Joe. Stop calling up man.
Now that try to say is a whole lot Beenie Man talk up. You understand? Is it true? We don't know. But I guess we just have to go find out when Dan Mafia decide to respond to the doctor. Or maybe soon and very soon we get a reasoning with Beenie Man himself still for hear what Beenie have to say. We don't know, but we are going to see what go on. But anyway, this video made its way to Dan Mafia himself as well. And Dan Mafia wanted to give a slight response to Beenie Man. But him now come out and go too hard as him say, because as we all know, Beenie Man kinda not really alright right now because of mother situation. So Dan Mafia just wanted to give a response to Beenie for now. And then him say him going to address the whole thing after the fact. So make we hear what Dan Mafia have to say.
Yeah, my people, well, you don't know, so I see a video out there circulating with the king of dancehall, Beenie Man, talk a bag of things about me and disrespect me. But you see, due to all the facts that your mother, Miss Lily, is sick at this time, and you know, I respect that lady. I know her very well and is a good woman, and I would want her to be alright, you understand? So I wouldn't want to be that guy to come and add more stress to your situation on a day like this when your mom is in hospital. So I am praying for a speedy recovery for your mother, and I want the best for you and your family. And when this is over, I will address the situation. So as of now, I have nothing more to say until your mommy is out of the hospital and is fully recovered. Because I would never want to add stress to what you're going through right now. So okay, take care of your mother and make sure she's good, brother. That you have to deal with on a day like this. Forget about me for now.
Well, alright, Beenie Man say his piece, Dan Mafia say his piece. But hear me now, the two artists, them are two talented artists in my opinion. Beenie is a legend, Dan Mafia is a great writer, you understand? And me just wish the man them would have just bury the hatchet and make everything be good. You see what I say? Although Beenie Man say all Dan Mafia fi do is just stop call up him name and then everything good there so. You see me I say? But make we leave it here so for now until we see what else I go come down the line. Alright, viewers, comment in the comment section, let me hear your thoughts, your views, and your opinion on this matter. If this is your very first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, what you wait upon? Hit the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. Until next time, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.